stop, put your wallet away. If you are thinking about going to a local coin shop or clicking buy on a bullion website right now, you are about to make a mistake that will cost you 30% of your money instantly. Everyone is telling you that silver is the investment of the decade. They tell you that AI, solar panels, and electric vehicles are going to send silver to $100. And they aren't wrong about the technology, but they are lying to you about the price. In 2026, the silver market has become a trap for beginners. Today on Future Finance Lab, I am going to expose the premium scam, the numismatic trap, and show you the exact price target you need to wait for before you buy a single ounce. If you want to protect your wealth, watch this until the end. Let's start with the math that dealers don't want you to do. Right now, the spot price of silver, the paper price traded on markets, might be trading around $30 to $35, but try buying a physical American Silver Eagle coin today. You aren't paying $35. You are paying $45, maybe $50. That extra $10 or $15 is called the premium. Dealers hike these premiums whenever there's hype in the news. Here's the problem. If you buy at $50 and you need to sell it back next week, the dealer will only pay you the spot price of $35. You just lost 30% of your investment the second you walked out the door. No other asset class punishes you this hard just for buying it. In 2026, with all the volatility we are seeing, premiums are at record highs again. This is not investing. This is a donation to your local coin shop. Now let's talk about the future. Why is everyone so bullish? This is where Future Finance Lab digs deeper than the other channels. It's about industrial demand. Silver isn't just money anymore. It is an industrial metal. It is the most conductive metal on Earth. You cannot build an AI data center without silver. You cannot build a new generation solar panel without silver. We are in a structural deficit. The world is using more silver than we can mine. But here's the catch, and this is crucial for 2026 industrial demand slows down during a recession. If the economy slows down later this year, factory orders for silver will drop. That is when the price crashes, and that is your opportunity. Alright, if you've dodged the premium trap, there's another one waiting for you. The numismatic scam. You know those TV ads screaming, buy this limited edition gold-plated silver coin. Listen closely, silver is silver. An ugly 1-ounce bar is worth the exact same as a pretty 1-ounce coin when melted down. Beginners get tricked into paying double or triple the spot price for so-called rarity. Unless you're a professional coin historian, stay away from collectibles. Buy generic bars and rounds to get the most silver for your money. So, when do we buy? We wait for the big drop. I believe a major liquidity crunch is coming, just like in 2008 and 2020, where investors sell everything for cash. Silver will likely crash with stocks. My strategy is simple. I'm waiting for the panic, for the price to drop back into the $26 to $28 range. Then I'll watch the premiums. I only buy when the premium is under $5 an ounce. Patience pays in the silver market. If you want an alert when silver hits my buy zone, subscribe and turn on notifications. Be the smart money, not the victim. See you next time.